Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to set the record straight. In one of my previous videos I realized I installed my NATO type band backwards. So I wanted to do a quick video to show how I install those bands. The buckle should always go towards the 12 o'clock side. I've got another watch here that came from the factory. It's an old Timex Expedition, and you can see that the buckle is always on the 12 o'clock side. So we want our buckle on the 12 o'clock side. So the easiest way to do this, and probably about the only way actually, is we take our end and we feed it down through the 12 o'clock side. Now we take the end, and this is the end with the holes, right? And we feed it down through our 12 o'clock side and we slide it all the way up. So the buckle is up by 12. And then we can come in to the bottom, come up through the bottom of the other side, pull it through, and then feed that end right back through. And that's how you install that NATO band. And these are pretty durable bands. They're nylon, made of nylon, so they're tough. If one of your springs comes out, these spring bar pieces, your watch can just flop to one side and you'll recognize that and not lose your watch in the process. So that's why these are a little more durable, I think. You can also adjust it up and down to where you need it once it's in this section to get it to line up on your wrist correctly. And then when you go through and secure this side, you can run this up through, and if you have too much left over like this, and it's going to look kind of goofy sticking up like that, so what you can do is you can fold it back down through, and that's if your wrist is smaller, or either that way, or you can fold it back down through this way. So there you go. That's how I install my NATO bands. Let me know how you do yours, if you do it any differently. But that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.